Hello everyone, welcome. Welcome to Trupti's Craft. I am Trupti, I am paper quilling artist. So how are you doing today? How is your summer going on? I hope you are enjoying summer. Uh, Today I don't have anything to show you because I didn't do any quilling. As I told you last week that I am going to participate in two craft shows next weekend. So I was just taking a lot of pictures of my products and I was uploading those pictures and description everything on the website. So next week I'm going to take participate in two craft shows. One is on Facebook and one is on different website. It's called Craft Fair USA. I will just put more details in the comment section. So if you are interested, you can check those links and see what other crafters have to offer you. And it's a July season. You can start uh, buying for your Christmas gift. You know, if you wait at the end, it will be very chaotic. Again, shipping, the gifts may not reach on time because of shipping, right? Rush. So you can start planning for your Christmas gifts. So today, I'm going to show you one cute, simple angel. Uh, it will not take that much time. So let me share my other camera. Okay. To make this angel, we are going to use comb. You can use this quilling comb or you can use any hair comb that you have, but it just need to be clean. So you can use any hair comb or just this kind of quilling comb. So I'm going to use two colors for the angel, yellow and blue. You can use any colors. Now, so this is my comb. What I am going to do, first I am going to use yellow strip. So just wrap this yellow strip around these two teeth and fold it and put glue here. Hold it for a few seconds and now you can see this has this has teeth one after another, right? So I just wrap the strip around second tooth. Now you have to go to next tooth and wrap it like this and then put glue. Now go to fourth next tooth and wrap it like this. So you have to just go to next tooth and wrap the strip around that tooth. Now glue the end and cut extra strip. Now I am going to take blue color strip. If you want, you can use same color, but today I am going to use two colors. So put glue and glue this strip, hold it for a few seconds and go around next tooth like this. Then put glue, just follow same. You have to go to next, oops, you have to go to next tooth. Wrap around it, put glue and go to next one. Put glue and now you can cut extra strip. So like this, let's make, you have to make 3 pieces So now so you will see we made this kind of petal, or you can we are going to use this as a dress of angel. So now what I am going to do, hold like this, press it here, and now press like this and let it go. Now your petal will look like this. So we need 3 of these. So this will be dress of angel or fairy. Now let's glue these together. Like this. Now we will make wings. Hello Preeti. Hello Maria, how are you? I got this, Maria, I got this bottle from Amazon. You can just search fine tip glue bottle. You will just get it from Amazon. You can get one bottle or multiple bottle. So now body of dress or body of angel is ready. Now what we are going to do? We are going to make wings. For wings, what I did, my strips are small, right? So I glued 2 strips together. Now again, we are going to use comb. I told you, right? You can use regular hair comb. So now I'm going to just find the middle of this comb, and just I'm going to, instead of at the bottom, I'm going to make a loop in the middle, and now put glue like this and hold it. Hold it for a few seconds. Now just turn around and your strip will go down. Now what I are going to do, just take this paper out and wrap it around next teeth and bring it back. And now you see the back side, right? Put glue here and just take this strip on other side. And again take this strip on top like this, and again take it back around the next strip and put glue on the back. So you have to do same thing. Now go to opposite direction, bring the strip up, wrap it around next tooth, take the strip back, turn around, put glue, take the strip on other direction, bring strip up, and again wrap around next tooth. At the first time you will think like this is a little bit complicated, but once you practice it, it will be easy. So like this, you have to go all around. If you want, you can just make teardrops and make a teardrop or eye shape and use them as wings. But now today I'm going to use this kind of wings. So this is something different I wanted to show you, because previously I just showed you teardrops, eye shape, curved teardrops, that like I didn't show you combing techniques. That's why today I am showing you this kind of techniques. With this technique, you can make flowers, butterfly, anything. So like this, glue at the bottom and let it dry. So now it's drying. Let's make face of angel. For that, let's take blue strip. If you want, you can just use white strip also. So let's take 4 strips. If your strips are big, take 2 strips, glue them together and make a big strip and then roll it. I will just use small strip and I will show you again how to make tight coil. Just take a strip, insert into slotted tool and roll it. Roll it gently like this. So I just show and put glue like this. Hold it for a few seconds and remove it like this. So this is tight coil. But for the face of angel, we are going to make big tight coil. So I used 4 strips. So my strip length is almost 11 inch. So I used 4 strips. If your strips are big, you can use 2 strips and make tight coil like this. So my face is ready. I think wings are dried. Now remove it carefully like this. So you will have fan like thing like this and just do it like this. So can you see this beautiful wing type structure? Now let's glue this part above the dress or body like this. I'm gonna use some pins so that everything will be at one place. Now take face and let's glue face on top of this wing. Let's put pin. Now let's make halo. For halo, what I'm going to do, let's see, I don't have pencil here. We need to make ring coil. Okay, you can take any pencil, pen or some round thing. And let's see, let's make yellow halo. So take strip, wrap it around pencil or pen, put glue, hold it for a few seconds and wrap the whole strip around the pen, whatever object you have, like this, and then put glue. Hold it for a few seconds. Thank you, Maria. I hope you are also doing quilling, and if you are doing quilling, please share your projects with me. I would love to see your projects. Now I made a ring coil. Now hold ring coil like this and pinch it. So this is eye shape, and we are going to use this eye shape as a halo of angel, and then put glue and glue it here like this. So our angel is ready, but everything is wet, so I cannot lift it. but I can show you like this. And once it get dry, I will take a picture and I'm going to make a card with this. I'm going to put this on the card, and I'm thinking of using some white strips to make clouds. So angel is flying in the cloud. So this is my thinking. Let's see how it looks. So after it gets dry, I'm going to put this on the card, and tomorrow I will take a picture and I will show you in detail. So I hope you enjoy learning this angel, and I hope you will make this kind of angel. And if you make the angel, don't forget to share with me. So that's it for today. I hope you are enjoying the summer. So till next time, bye. Good night.